Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all must be fine, you all are doing great nowadays. So let's move to our today's video topic. Our today's video is about SEO through AI. That that nowadays artificial intelligence is being more and more popular. So we are gonna get to know that how can we generate or how can we gain SEO of our website or our YouTube channel through the help of Chatgpt. So before starting my video, I request you to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Okay, let's start. Chatgpt. So this is what we want. The 10 effective ways to use ChatGPT SEO. Okay, what is ChatGPT? You all know what is it and how to use for SEO. There are countless different aspects to SEO, from on-page implementation to technical improvements to building effective content for readers and more. So as for related keywords to your target keyword, the first is this, that as start you can ask ChatGPT to give you a list of similar keywords to the ones that you are targeting for your own business or client. Then let's say you are a pizza shop owner in New York and trying to grow your business visibility. So try ask ChatGPT for related keywords, local pizza in New York City. So he will give you more and more keywords he will generate, and it will show you those keywords and you can pick from those. So here you can see the example, these are different keywords. And then the next step is build content around certain topics. Okay, once you have those keywords selected, once you have the keyword, then you have to make a content with the help of ChatGPT. So you can plug that keyword, that for example this is that you can ask ChatGPT that write me sentences about your keyword, whether it is pizza or delivery or anything else. So third one is create a keyword list around such intent. So then give ChatGPT the keyword, the selected keyword, and then make a list. Ask it to make a list of this keyword. He will generate you. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Allah Hafiz.